Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, the channel where timeless classics come to life. Today, we take a ride back to the late 1950s with a car that captured the imagination of an era, the 1959 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer Convertible. With its bold fins, extravagant chrome, and powerful V8 performance, this car was all about style, luxury, and confidence. Let's dive into its design, interior, performance, and legacy. Exterior. The exterior of the 1959 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer Convertible is nothing short of striking. Dodge leaned heavily into the jet-age design language of the time, and this convertible wears it proudly. The massive tailfins rise dramatically at the rear, capped with jewel-like taillights that make the car instantly recognizable. At the front, you'll find a wide chrome grille with quad headlights, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The sweeping side trim and sculpted lines enhance the feeling of motion, even when standing still. With its long body, bright chrome accents, and bold two-tone paint schemes, the custom Royal Lancer Convertible was a rolling piece of art from the space-age era. Interior. Step inside, and the interior is every bit as glamorous as the outside. The cabin was designed with comfort and flair in mind, offering luxurious upholstery, chrome detailing, and a dramatic dashboard layout. A standout feature is the push-button transmission selector located to the left of the steering wheel, a futuristic touch for the time. The wide bench seats are wrapped in premium vinyl and cloth combinations, often in vibrant colors to match the car's exterior. The convertible top, when down, created an open-air cruising experience that was unmatched, letting passengers soak in the sun and the admiration from onlookers. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 1959 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer Convertible delivered more than just looks. Under the hood, it was available with several V8 options, ranging from the reliable 361 cubic inch engine to the powerful 383 and even the legendary 413 cubic inch Ramfire V8. With horsepower ratings reaching up to 345, this Dodge wasn't just a cruiser, it was a performer. Paired with Dodge's advanced TorqueFlite automatic transmission, the car provided smooth acceleration and highway cruising power. With a solid suspension and wide stance, it handled with confidence for its size, making it as enjoyable to drive as it was to admire. In conclusion, the 1959 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer Convertible is a perfect representation of 1950s American automotive culture, bold, extravagant, and unapologetically stylish. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, and strong V8 performance, it remains a highly sought-after classic among collectors today. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement of prosperity and progress, a reminder of a time when cars were built to turn heads and stir emotions. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1959 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer Convertible, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next feature on another automotive legend.